how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify, the updated version. Open up Shopify, then click on settings here, and then go into domains. Once you have selected domains, then I will just delete this real quick because it shouldn't be here. Okay, so now we are gonna select connect existing, and you want to open up GoDaddy, click on your name, then go to my products. From within the products page, we just want to scroll down until we find the domain which we want to use and click on DNS. Now copy the domain itself, and once you have it copied, go back to Shopify and paste it. Now we want to click on next again. Once you click on next, it should detect your domain, and right here we will need to add some records. So the first one that we need to add, we need to go into DNS records and then choose add record. Now the first one that we need to add is going to be an A record add, and it points to this. So A add, and it points to this. Then we will click on add more records, cname www, and it points to this URL. So cname www points to this. Okay, so now we're going to click on save all records, and it is going to update. Now if you have these records, so quadruple A, I don't have it for some reason, it's detecting Hostinger, but it shouldn't. You just want to click on I updated my DNS records, and once you have added this, then what we have to do is just verify the connection, and if it's properly set up, then this is going to link or connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.